teeth look white.
Do they? Like really white?
Do it again.
Woohoo! I feel like you're down here and I'm up here right now. We gotta bring your energy up.
Why are you dancing? You're scaring me.
'Cause I'm excited for this. What are we doing today?
We're making healthy, delicious dessert or snack.
It's healthy?
It is, though. You're eating apples with some
Okay,
cheese.
apple's healthy. 32 grams of fat per 2 tablespoons is not healthy.
Well balanced. Is it really that bad for you? Compared to other things you could eat?
Listen, we're not talking about health right now. We're talking about enjoying the fruits that Ontario gives us. And right now, Ontario gives us
Apples.
apples.
Yeah. So this would be my apple of choice for this.
Okay, so that's not an Ontario apple right there.
Oh,
You got a good old-fashioned American Granny Smith. Here we have a beautiful Ontario Honeycrisp.
Yes.
So a great way of dipping apple.
Yeah.
So an apple dip.
It tastes like you're dipping your apple into like a cheesecake.
We like cheesecake.
Hence the cheese.
So we wouldn't consider this healthy then, because cheesecake's never been described as healthy.
So you need 1 brick of this, which is 250 grams. A tablespoon of this. A cup of this.
Sorry, a cup of this?
Yep.
A cup of sugar.
Yes.
And you tried to say this was healthy?
It's brown sugar. Everyone loves my recipes because they're so simple. This one doesn't really need like perfect measurements. And now for the best part, the healthiest part of it all. Oh, making a mess. Oh, you do the scoop on top.
Okay.
You clean the counter.
I did clean the counter.
What? You never do that? It's my signature move. Woo!
That's it?
That's it. I'm not like making it look pretty, okay, everybody?
You skin on, skin off?
Skin on.
Okay, I'm just checking. All the fibers in the skin.
Yeah, and fiber's what we need. When we get older, you need more fiber.
You like slices?
What other option is there?
I don't know.
Oh, these are thin. These are like chips. I like it. Bon appetit.
Bon appetito. Okay, so now what? We scoop? Yeah.
That's good, right? Oh, yeah. I'm taking this home tonight.
Take me home tonight. Na, 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 dun, 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 na, 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 na. Do you know the words?
How'd you wake up today?
Tired.
Oh, who goes to a friend's house? On Monday, I say I'm busy,
It's summer.
and I stay at home.
It's summer.
I need to be in bed by 8:30.
It's summer.
It's Monday.
It's summer.
You still gotta work.
Summer.